Want to stay control of your money? In this guide, I will show you how to set spending limits on your Monzo card. First, open the Monzo app and head to the home screen. Tap on the Account tab to bring up your Monzo card in Account Settings. Now tap the Manage button on the card image to see your spending controls. Scroll down to Limit and Controls. Here you'll see options for ATM withdrawals, daily spending, and contactless limits. Tap on the limit you want to adjust. For example, set a lower daily spend limit to prevent overspending, or reduce your ATM withdrawal limit for extra security. Enter your new limit, confirm with PIN or fingerprint, and it's instantly applied. You can also use Monzo points and budgets to cap spending on categories like groceries or eating out, helping you stick to your monthly goals, and that's it. You have set up spending limits on your Monzo card in just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.